Sometimes an authentic boss wakes up and you don't quite have time to get yourself looking camera ready like I need to be today. I'm going to show you really quickly how I sort this out so it's not going to distract you in all the videos that are coming and what products I'm going to use to do it. We are going dry shampoo, obviously, hand and hair cream because this is like everything. Nude powder spray, I'm going to show you why this is what you need for your fringe. And then we're going to do some glow spray serum. And then because I was in a rush this morning, we may or may not need a little bit of perfume. We woke up like this. We've got filming to do. We've got a day of just being an authentic boss. So step one, it's dry shampoo. Every boss needs dry shampoo. And I'm just going to go for it. And don't be shy with dry shampoo because even if it looks powdery, that's kind of what I want. And the ABC dry shampoo it's so light. So I feel like for me, because I've got extensions and I like that big fluffy look, I actually want a fair amount in. You can see it a little bit powdery, but that's exactly what I want. A bit more. With your dry shampoo, big tip, leave it, just spray it in and leave it for like 30 seconds because it needs to absorb, it needs to do its thing. Like quite often we spray it and then we're like, oh my gosh, it's so powdery. But actually it will absorb and then you'll notice that it starts to just do its thing. So I give it a good 30 seconds and then I massage it in, give it a good rub. Like make sure it's everywhere and fresh. Okay, right, let's see what we're working with now. Glow spray serum. If you know glow spray serum, then this is the absolute goat of a product. Like, it's the best. So I spritz this in through the mid-lengths and ends for a little bit of heat protection, shine, and also, really good tip, if your dry shampoo has gone a bit powdery, this will balance it out. Just a little light spritz. You don't need to go mad with this because it's really concentrated, but we just want it to do, you can already see, look at that shine that's come back. Oh, beautiful. And obviously, because it's next day styling, I want to top up on heat protection because I am actually going to run a tongue through this. And we're finally getting to spring. So UV protection as well. So that's going to protect my colour. It's going to protect my hair from any sort of external damages. So this is just such a good product. Now I'm just going to go through with my tongue it, and then we'll be back for the rest. Tongued, but not brushed out, obviously. I'm not going to teach you all how to suck eggs, but remember it's hot to mould and cold to hold. So we need to let these cool down. And then I'm going to brush this out because I like big, fluffy, like 70s vibes. I watched Daisy Jones and the Six once and now that's my whole identity. So brushing that all out. Look, it looks clean. It looks like I've actually washed this and I swear I have not. I literally just put that dry shampoo in and then the glow spray serum on the ends. And it looks so good, but we're not finished because I got bangs. I say I got bangs, as every other hairdresser knows I cut these myself because that's what we do. But the biggest hack to making these like actually look like cool, in my opinion, is and you can see this, the Nude Powder Spray. So this, I literally just spritz this on the underneath. Oh my God. It goes everywhere, but I love it, just a little bit. And this gives this like so much more texture and definition. So, and it also helps control any oiliness that might come through because obviously if you've got a fringe, it's the first thing that gets oily. So I like to put that in there and then you can like define the shape. But the ultimate hack, the light hand and hair cream. So this lives in my bag and this, I got a new one. So I'm keeping this, because there's nothing more satisfying than opening one of these. Take a small amount and we're gonna put it in our hands first because, you know, we love to be moisturised queens, but it means you're not gonna just put too much in your hair. So hands first, then hair. That's how I like to remember it. And I think it is actually called hand and hair cream. It is, so it helps you on the packet. Then just use this to define any bits and flick them out on the fringe. And then any bits that have gone like a bit powdery, because obviously I've gone mad with dry shampoo and then the Nude Powder Spray, it's gone. So yeah, all the way through. And then whatever's left just before it soaks into your hands, again, define it out and it just adds that bit of moisture through, but smooths and controls. And then my final touch is I like to put a bit more glow spray serum on because I love shine. I mean, healthy hair is what is giving like authentic boss. So a little bit more of a spritz. And again, a bit more UV protection because, you know, that's what we need. But look, we're fresh. And it didn't take long. Actually, even with filming this, it only actually fully took 10 minutes. So that I could do quicker if I wasn't filming and chatting. So yeah. And let's not forget, because I have been in a rush, if you haven't got the eau de toilette, and I always do put that in my hair, sorry, I am that person. Done. Let's get to filming the Authentic Boss series. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with good hair, where we're sharing all sorts of tips.